golden sun shining through the fume. Your courage and strength never wavered, never shadowed by fear. You were the sole candle of hope when darkness drew near. Oh, the golden flame of hope, lighting up our darkest hour. Your spirit ablaze with courage, strength, and mighty power. Through memories and stories, your legacy lives on. The Kadazan's golden sun, forever strong. The Kadazan's golden sun, forever strong. On the golden flame of hope, lighting up our darkest hour. Your spirit blazed with courage, strength, and mighty power. Through memories and stories, your legacy lives.